If there's a question of my heart, you've got it. It don't belong to anyone but you.
Yep. Okay, we have an unboxing from Bodies of Gods and Goddesses today by Chevelle Mills. All right, and let me just say the packaging is so wonderful. That filler paper that she uses inside, it's mixed with these cute little shiny pieces. Now let's get into this packaging. First we have this coupon for 10% off my next purchase. Since this is my initial purchase, gotta keep the customers coming back. And this body oil is wonderful. I had a sample of it and I had to order a bigger bottle because all of it was just gone. And let's see how big this bottle is and the easy way you can get it out with the suction on top, so you won't be wasting oil all over your hands and all over the place. It's just wonderful. You can tell she put a lot of thought and love into the packaging. And next, with these body butters, I specifically ordered this lavender body butter in the front, but let's get into the regular. Oop, my camera fell. Let's get into the regular body butter in the back that is in the white. And let me tell you, I just got out the shower. My hands are extra ashy, and you see how wonderfully my nails are done. This body butter did wonders for my cuticles. And let's go ahead and apply it. You only need a little bit. You really only need a little bit, especially when it comes down to your whole body. Once you get that little swirl from the top, that little application, once you start rubbing in, oh, the coverage is amazing. But let's go back into the packaging because these flowers, they are to die and they smelled so good. And I just loved how everything was just put together. But the lavender body butter, oh, it was my favorite. And look how shiny it made my skin. Not greasy looking, but moisturized. And here's her information, her phone number and everything. You can go ahead and pause the video to get the information, and it will be in the description. And please support this Black business because I know she worked really hard to make the packaging and the website and everything. Everything was just beautifully made. And what I'm going to do now is I have the products. I have the body butter, and what I'm going to do, oh, sorry, I'm watching Dexter. I'm going to apply my makeup, but I'm going to use the body butter as a primer for my makeup so my skin won't be ashy. What I hate doing is putting on my foundation and my concealer on ashy skin, which nobody should be doing. And I'm going to use the tincture oil, and I'm going to use the little vial on the inside, and I'm going to use it to moisturize my scalp and my locks, because the style that it's in now, my locks are going to be curly when I take them down. So we can go ahead and you can see how easy it is to apply to your scalp. And if you have areas of your skin that need extra attention, just go ahead and drop a couple of drops of the oil on, rub it in, and go ahead and get it. And I can feel while the oil is on the scalp, it's coming down on my hair also. So while I'm taking my hair out, it's going to be shiny from the oil, and you can see how my hands are shiny, and it's just going to get all over the curls, and see how curly my hair is coming out. One thing I love about the tincture oil, I do have to say, is that my hair is thick and it soaks up a lot of product. And the tincture oil, when I applied it to the scalp, it moisturized my scalp, so my scalp wasn't itchy, and it gave my hair a lot of shine also. So we'll see at the end of me taking out my curls how shiny the hair does get, and I just love, look at that, there's a thick lock right there, but I can feel how the oil just really got into my hair and how I didn't have to do much after my scalp has been saturated with the tincture oil. So thanks, Chevelle, for making such a wonderful product and making it versatile to where I can use it on my body, my face, and my hair. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply my makeup. Let me go ahead, a disclaimer, I am not a motherfucking MUA. I am not a makeup artist. What the most I know how to do is to cover up the dark spots and the acne scars on my face while I go ahead and get them cleared up. In the process, you know, try and stay on a clean diet, drink plenty of water, but in the meantime, let's go ahead and get these spots covered up. And this concealer is, yes, I'm using concealer. The foundation I have is a little bit too brown, a little bit too rich, and you can obviously tell the difference between like my skin and the foundation, liquid foundation that I found. I will leave the concealer at the bottom. I know it is in the color of mahogany. I got it from my local beauty supply store, which is black owned in Charlotte. It's Beauty Max on Eastway. But getting back to the makeup, I'm not really an expert in makeup, but I was able to find what works for my skin tone. My favorite color is purple. Well, one of my favorite colors is purple, and a deep purple goes wonderfully on my dark skin and my complexion. So I found this purple eyeliner on Amazon. I'll leave that at the bottom also. And I also got this eyeshadow in a beauty box. I'll leave that down below. I can't remember what it was, the name and everything that I used, but like I said, everything will be down in the description box. Again, more purple. And if you're wondering what I'm looking at off to the side, I just started watching Dexter, and I'm on season 4 while I'm filming this video, and I'm on season 6 now. So yo, when I'm telling you, this show is really, really fucking good. Like, it's been off the air for I don't know how long, but I'm just now getting into it. Somebody should have told me about Dexter a long time ago. But anyway, do the corners of my eyes, do a little bit of highlight. Try not to do too much with the makeup because, like I said, I barely know what I'm doing. I just hope I blended everything in correctly. I don't want to look like a corpse. And this is Cyrus, the color, and I'm trying to get it to autofocus. Spent the longest time trying to get it to autofocus, but that is Brick Red. I think that's Brick Red. Dark Sienna. And the Cyrus, that was Dark Sienna. Trying to get the colors to mix to where it doesn't look crazy on me. Not really confident in the whole lipstick department, but the darker the better for me, I feel like. And I had this matte lip gloss that came in a purple, but I didn't use the Dark Sienna because it was a little bit too light for what I was trying to achieve. So yeah, now trying not to do too much, but let's go ahead and blot and fluff our hair down. Looks way better. I really did love this look.
If there's a question of my heart, you've got it. It don't belong to anyone but